Hi, I'm Jin, founder of Smile Clinic Group and Smile Dental Academy. As we've grown now for 12 sites, our vision is to grow even further. And to do that, obviously we need practices, and there's amazing agents out there, and we work with a lot of them. And one of them is MediEstates, and they've been fantastic with working closely with them, sending us practices, organizing the viewings as well. And one of the nice things is, as we all know, in dentistry at the moment, is quite challenging with recruitment, with the nurse side dentists. So we work closely with MediCruits and our teams. If there's any issues with shortage of staff, the team at MediCruits have been amazing.